Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the Economic Research Agent. We built this agent using ADK 2.0 to automate the process of manually retrieving federal data sets, mapping state codes, and even running real estate calculations. Instead of hard-coded responses, this agent connects directly to live APIs such as FRED, Census, HUD, and OpenFEC. Let's run through a demo with 7 sample queries so you can see exactly how this agent works and how it retrieves the live data. Our first query demo is for historical labor trends sourcing via FRED API. First, let's look at historical labor trends. I'll query the agent for a 10-year unemployment comparison between Austin and Nashville. In a few seconds, the agent resolves the exact series keys, pulls the monthly data from the St. Louis Fed, samples them annually, and prints out a clean comparative table from the last 10 years. You can see the pandemic spikes and post-pandemic recovery mapped. The agent queries the live FRED API keys for each city, compiles the annual rates, and renders a comparative table for historical labor trends analysis. It also suggests exploring additional relevant queries. Our second demo is about talent sourcing via Census American Community Survey API. Now let's check the educational pipelines using census data. Show the educational attainment pipeline for Seattle versus Raleigh. The agent targets the 2023 ACS data profiles, resolves the respective county FIPS, and retrieves the exact percentage of populations holding a bachelor's degree or higher. It's grounded data straight from the Census Bureau API. Raleigh is edging Seattle with a slight 0.5%, slight edge in making million-dollar decisions. Next, I'll go over our third demo, AI workforce exposure via ONET SOC taxonomy. Let's start to analyze how AI might impact different workforces. Analyze the workforce AI exposure and automation potential for customer service representatives versus software developers. My agent leverages ONET occupational tasks to separate roles by automation risk versus augmentation potential. Customer service roles show high risk for billing and ticketing automation, whereas developers show massive productivity gains through code refactoring and design validation. We can also scale this analysis up to regional economic profiles. In Demo 4, I will show you AI displacement outlooks with ONET taxonomy. I'll enter compare Austin and Columbus for AI-driven labor market disruption and forecast their 3-year displacement outlook. The agent prints out a consolidated executive report. By correlating local employment concentrations with ONET task scores, the agent forecasts that Austin's high density of tech validator roles insulates it from high displacement, whereas Columbus's logistics and Tier 1 support centers are at a higher risk. For Demo 5, we will test the utility function, translating zip codes to county FIPS codes, which is required by many HUD and census endpoints. I'll enter find the county FIPS code for zip code 78702 using USPS Crosswalk, and wait for the response. The USPS Crosswalk API resolves the zip code to FIPS code 48453. This enables the agent to dynamically chain subsequent HUD and local tax queries. For Demo 6, let's immediately use that FIPS code to inspect housing affordability via HUD API. What is the percentage of cost-burdened households in Travis County TX? The agent pulls the latest comprehensive housing affordability strategy data, showing that over 32% of Travis County households are cost-burdened. This is essential context for understanding workforce retention. Finally, Demo 7. The most advanced feature, calculating real estate yields with MLS and HUD APIs. Find multifamily investment properties in Columbus, Ohio, and estimate their cap rates using HUD rents. The agent queries the MLS property listings, calls the HUD FMR API to get the local rent, $1,302 for a 2-bedroom, deducts estimated annual operating expenses, and computes the clean markdown table. It replaces hours of manual financial underwriting in a single query. That's how my economic research agent coordinates multiple live APIs, calculations, and active judge-critic reviews. The entire source code is available in the ADK samples repository, along with unit and integration tests. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.